Restore iPhone backup on Mac, step by step. Restoring your iPhone from a backup on your Mac is simple. Follow this step by step guide to get started. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your Mac. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. Once connected, open a Finder window. You should see your iPhone listed in the sidebar under Locations. Click on your iPhone's name. Step 2. Trust your computer if prompted. If this is the first time connecting your iPhone to your Mac, or if your iPhone hasn't trusted this computer before, you may see a Trust this computer prompt on your iPhone screen. Tap Trust and enter your passcode to proceed. Step 3. Select Restore Backup. In the Finder window on your Mac, within your iPhone's management screen, you'll see a section for backups. Click the Restore Backup button.